Hi. Welcome to factsHub. In this video we will know 10 amazing facts about India. So without wasting time, let's get started. Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is widely considered one of the most beautiful and romantic buildings in the world. The Taj Mahal was built to honor the favorite wife of an emperor. It was built as the final resting place for Mumtaz Mahal, the third wife of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. The name Taj Mahal means crown of palaces. Construction of the Taj Mahal took around 20 years, beginning around 1632 and finishing around 1653. The Taj Mahal is made of white marble. The Lotus Temple. The Lotus Temple, located in Delhi, India, is a Baha'i house of worship that was dedicated in December 1986, costing $10 million. Notable for its flower-like shape, it has become a prominent attraction in the city. Like all Baha'i houses of worship, the Lotus Temple is open to all, regardless of religion or any other qualification. The building is composed of 27 freestanding marble-clad petals arranged in clusters of 3 to form 9 sides, with 9 doors opening onto a central hall with a height of slightly over 40 meters and a capacity of 2,500 people. The Lotus Temple has won numerous architectural awards and has been featured in many newspaper and magazine articles. A 2001 CNN report referred to it as the most visited building in the world. Statue of Unity. The Statue of Unity is a colossal statue of Indian statesman and independence activist Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, 1875–1950, and located in the state of Gujarat, India. It is the world's tallest statue with a height of 182 meters, 597 feet. It is located on a river island facing the Sardar Sarovar Dam on the river Narmada in Kabadaya Colony, 100 kilometers, 62 miles, southeast of the city of Vadodara. The first rocket in India was transported on a cycle. The first rocket was so light and small that it was transported on a bicycle to the Thumba launching station in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Diamonds were first mined in India. Initially, diamonds were only found in the alluvial deposits in Guntur and Krishna district of the Krishna River Delta. Until diamonds were found in Brazil during the 18th century, India led the world in diamond production. The highest cricket ground in the world. At an altitude of 2,444 meters, the Chale Cricket Ground in Chale, Himachal Pradesh, is the highest in the world. It was built in 1893 and is a part of the Chale Military School. Kumbh Mela gathering visible from space. The 2011 Kumbh Mela was the largest gathering of people with over 75 million pilgrims. The gathering was so huge that the crowd was visible from space. The world's largest producer of milk. India recently overtook the European Union with production reaching over 132.4 meters tons in 2014. India is also the country in which the highest number of votes were cast for a national general election. In 2009, the country saw its 417 million people cast their votes in 5 phases to elect the 543 members of the 15th Lok Sabha. India has the largest postal system in the world with more than 150,000 post offices, which is thrice the size of that of China. India is also one of the largest democracies in the world. The name India is derived from the river Indus. It is a valley around which people settled in earlier times. Thanks for watching. For more interesting videos, subscribe our YouTube channel.